Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen and this is Pixie Sparkles. That's Pixie. Hello. I have a delivery today, so we're going to open this package together. I am not sure where it's from, except I'm going to guess China, which could be a number of different items. We're going to open it and see what it is. How is everyone doing? I hope everybody's doing okay. Thank you for joining me on this 30 videos in 30 days challenge. So far, I'm surviving, and as long as I keep the videos short, my phone can handle the storage by the time I upload it and then delete it and do what I need to do. Anyway, it's almost the weekend. Sorry for the table shaking. Okay, so this is from the order that I placed with Feelook Art. And we have 2 boxes. Let me put this knife down. I'm going to need it again in a second. So we have 2. I placed the order after I accepted their PR box because Feelook Art really has great quality canvases. I think I'm going to unbox them one at a time. We've already gone through a toolkit in the past. When tiny sparks become masterpieces. Okay, so here's the canvas. Oh, I got a card in this one. You get to see the image. I didn't get a card in the PR package. I think some people did, but I got Carousel Horse. Aw. And it just says, what does it say? Scratch below. So it's like they're doing what another company we're so familiar with does, which is smart. And it is 70 by 50 centimeters or 27.6 by 19.7 inches. And it's interesting because they give you the design size and then they give you the fabric size, which is 78 by 58 centimeters or 30.7 by 22.8 inches. And it has 48 colors, and 2 of them are like a fairy dust, and 3 of them I think are gold, some type of gold. And then we have this little book where we can put our start and end date when we complete it and instructions on how to do it. Okay, so now let's open this. Let me put this knife over here and let's open this plastic cover. I hope you can see everything okay. They have the nice thick canvas with the soft backing. Oh, look. I liked it because of the pink. Look how big those are. It will eventually lay flat. Oh, look. Let me roll it. It doesn't feel too big. Like, it seems manageable, which is nice. And we got a toolkit. This time it's not open. Last time it was. I'm going to just open it real quick just to see if anything changed. We have the usual pen. That's a nice pen for ABs. I used it. I've been using it. Tweezers. I didn't think I was going to do this. And this, I learned you can use it in this pen, but I haven't tried that. And then we have 2 trays. Baggies. What is that? Two sets of baggies. And then the stickers. Oh, interesting. Wait, what are these for? I guess just for me to have in addition to these. Maybe this is how they used to do it. And now they're doing it with these. Or maybe they just, so if I want to use them on my container. Nice. Thank you, Feelook. Okay. Let me put this back in the bag. And let's look at these drills. I'm really curious about these larger ones on the carousel. See how big those circles are? There they are. Neat. And we have smaller ones too. Can you see those in there? And then I was just looking to see, 44 is a dust, and that's this one. I hope you can see it. It's like a pearl dusting, dust coating. Nice. So I'm excited about this one. Okay. Now this was one that they had in stock, I think. It didn't come out as a new release for their summer sale, but they did honor it. Like I was able to purchase this and the other one, and I did get the discount. So there's that one. Oh, and you know, the symbols are very clear, easy to read. I like to organize my numbers, my drills in numeric order and then alphabetical order, and it doesn't appear that they do that, but that's something I can do later. Okay, let's open the other one. We won't go through the toolkit because we just did that with the other one. And I'm not planning on kitting these up and working on them right away, but I did want to open the box with you. I told you that these were coming, and I didn't want to wait. I don't leave them in the box. I like to hang them up in my craft room and separate the drills. And what I'll do is I'll print a sticker that has the name of the canvas on the drills, because Diamond Art Club, they list the name of the canvas, so it's easy to separate theirs. But other companies, I've had to do my own label for theirs. You think I'd be better at this as many unboxings as I've done? So this was one of the new releases for the summer sale. And I just like the image. I don't know, I thought it was cool. No, I don't, I never know. No card like the last one, or stickers, which is interesting. Maybe it's on the inside. It's not in the box, but it does come with the instructions, like the last one, and the start and end. And because it is part of the summer sale, new release, I feel like it was. I'm surprised I didn't, but the card could be in here. I don't know. This one is called a Flair. I think, well, let me just. It is Flair for the Dramatic. And I'm a little concerned because there are no stickers. But let me open the toolkit. I can't imagine they'd put them in the toolkit. Oh, I might have to just make my own. That's okay. I know last time the pen fell out, but nothing's in the box. We already looked. Let's just look at this. I just thought, that is dramatic. I thought she was cool. 50 by 62 centimeters, or 19.7 inches by 24.4 inches. And it is 43 colors. And this one had a special drill. KJ. I don't know what that means. I'd have to look at their website. And then an AB. And I didn't have any ABs in the other one. But I'm going to look at this. I am going to look at the toolkit to see if there are stickers inside, because worst case, I just have to do it by number. I don't, okay, there are some stickers in here. We have, one of them came off here, number 19. So we have these. They don't have the symbols, but at least I have others from Forever Young. They're kind of jacked up. I'm going to be honest. Look, they came like this. So, oopsie, I won't use these anyway. But it's just too bad. I thought it was part of the new release. Maybe it isn't. Oh, well. But here are the colors. And they have 0 static in their drills, which is wonderful. So the only downside to this one is no stickers. Except for I'd have to do it by the number, which isn't the end of the world. But I like doing it by the symbol. So anyway, that's it. That's all I have for Feelook art. All I have unboxing. I'll see ya. Y'all take care. Bye.